Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. How are you doing today? So, today we're going to continue on with doing stuff with our 2019 Shelby GT350. For those of you guys that don't know, we did just pick up this GT350. It is in race red. It has the white stripes going down the center of it. It has the technology package, so it's got the big radio with the subwoofer and the navigation and these really nice heated and cooled leather and Alcantara seats. We are going to use the car for track purposes, but before we get too carried away with taking it to the track, it's coming into the winter months, so we're going to do a few things to it. And to get started with that, we have our first package. So let's see what's inside it. I started to open it and then realized what it was. Realized it wasn't for business, it was for this. So let's get this open here. We have the pedal commander. So those of you guys that are into the motorcycles and things like that, the pedal commander won't be new to you, but if you guys are like me and coming into this from the automotive side of it, you probably haven't heard of the pedal commander. It's been around for a little while now, and if you keep up with drifting, then you know that they are a sponsor with drifting. So let's open it up, see what we've got here. It's in this pretty nice little carrying case. It is nice and small, pretty good quality box. We might just keep the box for keeping stuff in it, who knows. But it is plug and play, guys. So what you do with it is, once you get it out of its little carrying case, there we go. You just take this, and it's got these nice 2 plugs, and you order it for your vehicle. If I can get it out of the twist tie here. They are vehicle specific. I believe it's more manufacturer specific than it is vehicle specific, but you do order it for your vehicle. You unplug your gas pedal, you plug this in line, and what this does is, in theory, they claim that it cleans up the signal coming from the gas pedal. So it gives it a cleaner, more crisp signal going to the computer. Now, I don't know how it works, other than it cleans up the signal. It's got a bunch of different settings. The new ones are Bluetooth compatible, so we will have it hooked up to the phone in order to control it. It does have an economy mode, so for better fuel mileage, a city mode, a sport plus mode. I'll put the exact number here, but I believe they're telling me it has 34 different options or configurations that you can put it to. So little data port there, I'm guessing for updating, stuff like that. I don't know. You guys are going to find out with us as we find out. Our biggest question that we've got, guys, is why does nobody use it? Why is it something you're not hearing about? They've been in business for so long now, doing stuff back in the day, but why don't you hear about it? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Do you actually get performance out of it? Obviously the ads say you do. So we're gonna figure it out. So let me pull you here off the stand and we'll show you. All you're gonna do here is you're gonna come in, go to your gas pedal, and you're gonna undo that plug right there. Now, guys, remember with Fords, they do use this little plug here with this red tab. If you remember from our video with Joey's, let me turn you around here. Remember in our video with Joey's truck where we were trying to fix the fuel economy issues, we showed you guys those red tabs. Don't forget, Ford uses them a lot. I'm sure other manufacturers do as well, but if you do have a Ford, that is going to be what you're going to run into with a lot of your plugs. So without further ado, I'm going to jump in here real quick. Joey's at work and we got excited and he says just go ahead and just do it. Throw it in there and let him see what it looks like. The only thing it looks like you're going to need, guys, is some zip ties to mount the thing. Again, it is Bluetooth, so you don't really need it anywhere where you can get to it on a regular basis. If you want it there, they do include some Velcro so that you can stick it to the dash if you want to. I think we're just going to hide it and use the Bluetooth in order to use it. What else comes in the pad? Looks like some wipes. Yep, dashboard wipes. So alcohol prep pads so that you can wipe it all down. So let's get it in there and see exactly how it works. Okay, guys. So we've got the pedal commander installed. Super simple. Like I said, legitimately find a place you want to put it. Run the wires. It comes with 2 zip ties, so you don't even have to get your own zip ties. And then it's just plug and play. So we unplugged the one wire to the gas pedal and plugged the wires in place. It's just a little T connector. So let me get the video turned around real quick. Okay, so again, what you see here is the, hang on, let's shine some light on the subject. Okay, so you see that plug right there. There's the other end of the plug, and then it just wraps around. And for the time being, just so that I can show you guys, we've got it just right here so that if we want to control anything, change it up or whatever, we can do that. So let's turn the car on. Give me just a second, guys, because per the instructions, told us to move the keys away from the car so that it didn't happen to try and interfere. My short little legs, I've got to move the seat forward so that I can hit the clutch pedal. Sorry guys, the car is dirty on the inside. You know, we do drive them every day, or as much every day as we can. You're probably fixing to lose audio, so give me just a second. Now you guys should be able to hear me again. So, as of right now, where'd the instructions go? The pedal commander is on and in city mode. Pretty easy to adjust. That should be off with no lights on. Let's see. So if you look right here in the instructions, let's get it to focus here. Focus. There you go. Pedal commander offers 4 program selections: Eco, City, Sport, Sport Plus. Each mode has 9 different sensitivities, up to 36. So that's the number we were looking for. 36 different modes. When all the pedal commander lights are off, there you go. So as of right now, all the lights are off. We can get to focus on it. There you go. All the lights are off. So just so that you guys can kind of see throttle response. Here, let's do this. Let's put the car in. There you go. And a little bit of delay there. So let's get the camera to focus. Focus there. Says you've got Sport. Seems a little bit more responsive, but just so that you guys can see here what it shows. Eco mode. Used, if I can get it to stop moving, there you go. Used for fuel saving, smoother driving, better traction during heavy weather. Daily driver is city mode. Spirited drive is sport. Sport plus is great for the track. So we're gonna go drive this thing around, see how we feel, and then we'll be right back to kind of give you our final impression. So wait for the final impression. It'll be right. Okay, Joey.
What up?
So just drove over here, just got the pedal commander installed. My first impressions, I love it.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I want you to do is I want you to get in there and I want you to hit the gas.
Alright.
This is gonna be kind of comical. Now, we might want to turn it down just because Rick is working and the loud pedal is on loud mode.
Alright.
Okay. Now,
The normal mode.
that's on Eco. There it goes, now I can see it. All right, that's all the way up.
That's nice and different.
So in Eco mode, all the way as active as it'll go. Would you not agree with me, Joey, that it takes this Shelby GT350 and makes it a Ford Fusion?
Yeah.
Like the gas pedal is that,
Yeah.
like
The
legit.
dead pedal, basically.
Yeah, you like guys trying to drive it over here. I almost stalled it 15, 16 times. It was absolutely crazy, the night and day difference that this pedal commander actually makes. Now, those of you guys that are like me, you don't know, you haven't been able to figure out yet, or you're just now hearing about it. Guys, I don't know why nobody ever does this. As far as easy upgrades, this thing was $300 is what it shows on the website. It's 300 bucks. Now there's discount codes out there and there's things like that that you guys can find on a regular basis. Highly, even at the $300, highly recommend this thing. If you're looking for any sort of easy upgrade to give your car a little bit more response, sorry about the wind, guys, I don't know if we're gonna get some wind noise. But if you want any sort of upgrade to gain some throttle response, I don't know that it made the car any faster, but I can tell you that with the car set to track mode, the pedal commander turned up as high as it'll go. I couldn't keep the car from spinning the tires in third gear. Now, you hit the gas, it blips amazingly. You guys should definitely try it out for yourselves. Go to pedalcommander.com, I believe is the website. If it's not, it'll be right here, is the name of the website. Go get one for yourselves, guys. You will not be disappointed. It was so fun to drive. We will do an update video later on down the road and just remind you guys what we've got going on and what we think about the pedal commander itself. In the meantime, thanks for watching. You guys have a good one.